Hello dear students, you are welcome in RK Institute. I am Dr. RK Saini and today I am going to discuss John-Taylor distortion. John-Taylor distortion, or it is also known as tetragonal distortion. Distortion of octahedral species of octahedral complexes. Dear students, as we know that in octahedral species, central metal ion makes 6 bonds with ligand along with x, y, z, minus x, minus y and minus z axis. The shape of octahedral species depends upon symmetrically or asymmetrically filled d orbital. If d orbitals are symmetrically filled, then all 6 ligands get equal repulsion. Therefore, all 6 bond distance are equal, and hence such type octahedron species are known as regular octahedron species. If d orbitals are asymmetrically filled, then some ligand get more repulsion than other, and hence some bond distance are short in comparison to other. Therefore, such type of octahedral species are known as distorted octahedral species. Following electronic configuration of metal ion makes symmetrical d orbitals, and hence their octahedral species are regular. For example, if metal ion has d0 configuration, then symmetrical arrangement of d orbitals, namely T2g and Eg. T2g and Eg orbital. If metal ion possesses d electron, 3d electron, then symmetrical d orbitals. If metal ion possesses 5 electrons with weak field ligand, this condition with weak field ligand makes symmetrical tetrahedron. D6 electron with strong field ligand is also symmetrical arrangement, strong field ligand. D8 with weak field ligand, D8 with weak field ligand, D8 with weak field ligand, and D10 with any kind of ligand, and D10 with any kind of ligand. In these conditions, octahedral species are regular octahedron. Except these configurations, other octahedral species are distorted because their d orbitals are asymmetrically filled. Consider now D0, D3, D5. In D5 in this condition weak filled, and in D6 they are symmetrically filled d orbitals. However, T2g or Eg have two different energy level. Eg orbital has some higher energy than T2g in octahedral field. Now, if asymmetry of Eg orbitals, then this distortion is significant because 6 lobes of Eg orbitals, namely dx square minus y square and dz square orbitals, are pointed toward the direction of ligand, and hence they get more repulsion. Therefore, distortion is very significant observed in case of unsymmetry in Eg orbital. Here two conditions are there. If only 1 electron in Eg or maybe 3 electrons in Eg orbitals, then these are asymmetrical arrangement of d orbital. Here two conditions are there. If extra electron or more electron present in dz square orbital may or may be extra electron or more electron present in dz square orbital, then this orbital has low energy than dx square minus y square, because we know that filled orbital are more attract toward the nucleus in comparison to empty orbitals. Therefore, its energy is less. But two ligands which approach metal ion along with z and minus z axis get more repulsion because carry electron than other four ligands. Finally, four ligands are more approaches toward the central metal ion in comparison to 2, and hence 4 bonds become short bond in comparison to 2 bonds, and this condition is known as tetragonal elongation. It is the more common condition in octahedral species, where this orbital is dz square and these are the dx square minus y square orbital. These orbitals are pointed toward the ligand, and as four ligands are more close toward the central atom. Therefore, 4 bonds are short in comparison to 2 bonds, and it is known as tetragonal distortion. It is more common. Another condition is also possible. For example, this extra electron occupy in x square minus y square, or more electron occupy in dx square minus y square orbital. In this case, 4 ligands repel more in comparison to 2 ligands, because dx square minus y square orbital has 4 lobes and they are pointed toward the direction of ligand, and as 4 ligands get more repulsion in comparison to 2 ligands. Therefore, 2 ligands are more close toward the central atom in comparison to 4. It is known as tetragonal compression. However, it is rare or very less observed in octahedral species. But tetragonal elongation case first is more common, because in first case 4 bonds are short, means strong bond in comparison to 2 bonds. Therefore, species will be more stable. For example of tetragonal distortion. For example, in CrF2, in MnF3 in octahedral field, where electronic configuration of chromium of plus 2 oxidation state is 3d4, and the ligand is weak filled. Therefore, tetragonal distortion takes place. Due to unsymmetrical filling of easy orbitals. Similarly, in case of MnF3 in octahedral field, oxidation state of Mn is +3, and +3 configuration is same. It is also tetragonal distortion, in which 4 bonds of chromium fluorine are short bond nearly 2 angstrom distance, and 2 bonds 4 are short bond, and 2 bonds chromium and fluorine are longer bond distance. Bond distance is 2.43 angstrom. Similarly, in case of Mn, same observation. In case of CuH2O 6 plus 2 ion, in which copper has D9 electrons, and D9 electrons is also asymmetrical arrangement. D9 electronic configuration is also asymmetrical arrangement. Also observe tetragonal elongation. Thank you. Dear students, I end the class today, and tomorrow I will start a new class with new topic. Thank you.